Good morning, everyone. Wanted to give you a quick lesson on solving equations that have distributive property. So we talked in the last couple weeks about how using the distributive property is a tool, how combining like terms is a tool, and now my goal is that you guys are starting or will be able to see how these tools can be useful to you. Now, it's a tool. You get to choose, for the most part, when you use it. If you like, I'll use my family for example. I have a hammer I like better to hang pictures with. That's fine. I can use whichever hammer I want to. So I'm going to show you two ways to solve this particular problem that we see up on the screen, and show you where distributive property can be your friend. Or you might kind of ignore it and use the fact that this 4 is already factored out on the side of the equation as your friend as well. So we're going to start with distributive property. To distribute, you take whatever value is right in front of the parentheses and you multiply that into every term inside the parentheses. So negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times positive 3 is negative 12. We keep our equal signs lined up, and that's still 8 over here. Nothing happens on the other side. Now we solve a two-step equation. In order to solve the two-step equation, shift this a little, I'm going to move farthest away from x and move inward so we can isolate x. Well, this 12 does not need to be here. It's a constant, and it could be added to this. So the opposite of negative 12 is positive 12. So I'm going to add 12 to both sides. Now I have negative 4x equals 20. Well, we still have a negative 4 coefficient hanging out with x, a variable. Coefficients don't need to be there. So we're going to isolate x. That means that instead of multiplying by negative 4, I need to divide by negative 4. Those cancel each other out. X is equal to 20 divided by negative 4 is negative 5. Simple solution. I know the value. Very straightforward. Now, here's another way of doing the exact same problem. And you're going to be able to choose when you do your homework. Negative 4 times the quantity x plus 3 is equal to 8. Same exact problem. I know that I need to isolate x. What I see here is that this factor is evenly divisible into this number. If you notice that, or if you check it real quick on a calculator, you can get rid of this without even distributing it. Instead of multiplying this whole thing by negative 4, we're going to divide by negative 4. And if we divide this side by negative 4, we need to divide this side by negative 4. Well, these cancel each other out. Now I have x plus 3 equals, 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2. Oh, that's a much simpler equation. Well, I still need to isolate x, so the opposite of negative 2, the opposite of positive 3 is negative 3. And x is equal to negative 5. Same solution, slightly different order of steps. But now you can see distributing is sometimes helpful. The fact that you know how to factor these things out is going to become a very useful tool. For our purposes this week, it's going to be kind of preset for you, but I wanted you to see that as a useful tool. Have a great day. I will talk to you soon.